presenting a pre-owned 2012 Toyota Camry. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable transmission. This Toyota has less than 233,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.